folks, welcome back to Type R Tweaks. So today's video, quite a short one. We're just going to be changing out a gasket on our 2.5 inch Tegiwa Catback exhaust. Over the last couple of days it's starting to blow a little bit. Here it is. So hopefully just a gasket change out. So got one here from Tegiwa and we're just going to change that out. Should be just 2 bolts. Clean up whatever else is there, take the old gasket out and put this one in, bolt it back together, and that should be us. Fingers crossed.
So you can see the old gasket here, and you can see pretty much where it's obviously started to go, and that's where we're getting that kind of exhaust noise from. So yep, like I said before, 2 bolts, one each side, and change the gasket out and that should be us. So getting a sort of 13mm or spanner or socket, like me, if you just get it on here and then shear the bolt, that should release it. Nothing ever goes easy. Need to get the next side done as well, and if it's anything like this side, if that shears as well, then I need to get myself a couple of new bolts. So you can see there where the old gasket is kind of worn away, and that's where we're getting the blowout from. So yep, got the bolts out. One of them sheared, one of them didn't, so I've got 50% luck. So I just need to kind of scrape this, clean this up, put the new one in and find another bolt, put it back together. So yeah, here we go, gasket's out, the old gasket's out, and you can see definitely where the issue was. So let's get the new one on and hopefully all should be good. So the other bolt came off okay, but I ended up getting 2 new bolts anyway. So we've got the first side in. I'm going to just hook that up to get to the other side, bolt that together, tighten it up, and we'll start the car and let's see if that works.
So there we go, quite an easy one, quite a short video again. Like I say, I was just changing out a gasket. Probably would have took me a little bit less time if I hadn't sheared that bolt. Luckily I had a few places locally open that I could pick some up pretty cheap and pretty quick as well. So it is worth thinking about that if you're going to change things like that on the car, and maybe if they've not been off for a while, it's worth getting a few spare just in case you end up doing what I've did today. But probably based on the state of that gasket that we've seen, I'm probably going to change out the rest of them on the exhaust because they probably won't be too far away from going. So that'll be another video coming up hopefully in the near future. But yeah, thanks to everybody who subscribed to the channel, commented on videos. Thanks to our sponsors, Tactical Racing and Dynodaze, for sponsoring the channel. Really appreciate that. And go and check them out. Links are in the description. And on Tactical Racing, you can get a discount on the products using the code TWEAKS, which I'll put here. You can get discounts on products from their website. But yeah, go and check those guys out. And until the next time, catch you all later.
Life moves pretty fast.